Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video we will talk about how to find maximum marks or maximum number in array. Now in the last video we talk about these programs. If I want to run, you can see the program here. Enter name, for example James. We have enter marks for James 90, for example. Another student we have Jack and marks 99. Another we have John and 77. Now in this program we will find the maximum marks and also the minimum marks of student, who is the first position holder and who is the last position holder. I already write the program that we see in the last video, but for those students that they are new in this video, I will write the program again in a second. Just take a look and see. For example, we have string stu name is equal to 3 students we have, right? And int stu marks, we have 3 students as well. I want to use for loop because for loop is a little bit comfortable for me. You can also use for each loop that we see in last video, and our topic was about how to access the elements of array with for each loop, right? You can see the value. For after that int I is equal to 0, I is less than how much? 10, 3, sorry, and I plus plus. Simply you can use is cout, enter the what number, not name. Enter the name and cn simple what? Simple stu name of I. After that I want cout, enter the marks 4. I want to use 4 here for whom? For stu name of I. And after that enter the marks 4, and after that I want dot dot and simple I want here just semicolon and cn what? Stu marks of I. Now for this I want to print the program and see the errors. Semicolon missing, syntax error, enter the name. For example, we have James and marks 90, we have Jack marks 88, we have Ike and marks 100. Now nothing happened after that. First I want to access the elements of array. Simple, you use for loop. Simple for int j is equal to 0. It will start from 0 because indexes start from 0, and it will less than 3 in j plus plus. After that simply cout. Here we have a logic that you have to know about it. Stu name, first of stu name of j will print stu name of first student, which will be the first student that I enter here, second student, third student. After that I want to use this message, and after that stu marks of j. That was the logic that we already talk about in last video. Enter the name, for example James 90, Jack 99 and Ike 77. Now see, James 90, Jack 99, Ike 77. Now the topic of this video to find the maximum numbers and the minimum numbers. For this, just simple you use here int sum variable, not sum, max variable, the maximum value, and you initialize with 0, right? And int min you initialize with 0. Simple. Here you use for another for loop to find int l is equal to 0 and not k is equal to 0 and k is less than 3 and k plus plus. And after that if what? if stu marks of k is greater than max, just print me what? We have max variable we have here, and it's a, but I want to initialize with max is equal to stu marks of what? Stu marks of j, right? Now if stu marks of k is greater than max, just simply max is equal to stu marks of k. This was the syntax. Now I want to print cout the maximum max marks is how much? Max. And endl. Now see the result that we have simple an error. What is the error here? I want to come flattening report and see j was not declared in this scope. In this case you have to use not j, you have to use I. If I want to print, now we have an error as well. Now what I have to use, simple k. Wow, what happens here? What is an error? I have I, but I want to use here. Now change to j. Okay, let's see. Enter name, for example we have James, and 90 Jack, 77 James, not James, John, 88, 90, 77. Wow, the maximum marks is 90. We find. Now the second thing is finding the minimum marks, and this is also simple. In this case what you have to do is it is man, and you need another for loop. For example, another for loop that we have, it is here we have, or here for int what? Int l is equal to 0, l is less than 3, l plus plus. After that, if stu marks of l is less than man, just man is equal to stu marks what? Stu marks of l. Simple. And you have to use here man as well. Man is equal to stu marks of what? Of j. Now see what errors we have, and simply copy this one, and the minimum marks is what? No man, like this. Now see the errors and see the program. We don't have any error. James and 90, Jack 99, and John 55. See, wow, 99 and 55. This was all about, my dears, this program, that how to find the maximum and the minimum. One thing more, that if I want to do like this, my dears, enter name. For example, we have James 90, Jack 80, and John 30. Wow, the maximum is 90 and the minimum marks is 30. Now the beauty will be here that we have 10 students in 10 marks, right? And you can practice. The one thing more that, for example, you can change your software application like this. The maximum marks is 90 and the first position holder is who is first? James. You can use the name here, and that is your homework and you have to practice. This was all about for this video, my dears, that we talk about how to find the maximum marks or number in array. I hope you enjoyed the video, my dears, and I hope you learned something from this video new. If you enjoyed the video, like the video and share it to your friends, and be sure to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, my dears. I will see you next time.